back to my channel, and today we are in Madrid. It is day 1 of spring break. We got a hostel in the center of Madrid. It's a pretty good location. There's a lot of people here. It's almost 8 o'clock right now, and I got here at 4 or 5, and I've just been like walking around, exploring the city a little bit. So I don't know if y'all could see, but this is where we're at right now. It's been a long day. I missed my flight and ended up having to take a train here, which wasn't that bad, but yeah, it was just a long. I'm tired. Like, I think I'm gonna take a nap, and then since everything's kind of open kind of late tonight, I think I'm gonna get ready a little bit later and we're all gonna go out to dinner. So yeah. So I forgot to show you guys what our hostel looks like, but it's pretty spacious. We have a pretty good view from out here, and that's my bed. And then out here, hey guys, it's day 2, and so we are currently walking to the museum. So I'm back in my room right now, and after the museum we kind of just like walked around and went into like different shops and stuff like that. That's it for today's vlog. If I film any more, it'll probably just be like little clips, but yeah, that's it for today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Y'all, we're about to spend all our money here. Everything is so cheap, like, Jesus.
I don't know. It depends on like what you.
Stephanie Stephanie left her passport and her wallet on the train, so we were trying to find it. We're now eating McDonald's on a park bench. Some men tried to holler at us.
We're scared, actually.
Our hostel, we're gonna walk back. It's a 10-minute walk. It's only noon, so
24 hours later.
basically, so we found our hostel and everything. It was all good. Actually, it was kind of crappy, so what we ended up doing was just reserving a different hostel, like on the other side of town, because we were honestly in a really bad part. So right now, I'm waiting by the embassy for Stephanie to get her passport. Sorry I wasn't vlogging a lot my last day in Madrid. My phone was honestly dead for like most of the day, so yeah. So we got into our new room. Let me just say, it's so much nicer. Y'all, we were in the ghetto at first. This is the bathroom. She's nice. And it's walking distance from the Eiffel Tower. So it's just a good situation all throughout. So it's lit. Can you see it? Ah! It's so pretty. The Eiffel Tower is right over here. There she is. So this is the park. So the garden that we're in is called the Garden of Tulips, as you can see, because there's a lot of tulips. So I think what we're about to do now is go to the Notre Dame and then go back to our hostel, change, and then go to the Eiffel Tower. That's the plan. And this is pretty much all we can see because they're rebuilding it. How you feeling, Stephanie?
I'm feeling good. It's so
love
beautiful.
it here, yeah.
L'espoir est un plat bien trop vite consommé. Elle saute le repas, je suis habituée. On veut le solitaire et triste à nourrir. Un chaussée à main, je n'ai pas réussi, car rien ne gratuit.
But we'll take a bite together.
La vie, je
So good, oh my god.
aux étoiles, ce n'est pas pour moi. Laissez-moi vous amener et prendre mon vol. Nous allons enfants nous regarder.
Hi guys, good morning. It is day 3 of Paris. And we just got back from getting breakfast. We ended up going to this bagel place and we bought some slightly overpriced bagels, but it's okay. They were really, really good. Okay, yeah, so what's on the agenda for today is I think we're going to just hop on the metro and check out the some gardens. I think we're gonna go to the Basilican, I think that's what it's called. No, Basilica? Yeah, Basilica. We're gonna go there. The metro here is fairly easy to use. Honestly, it's pretty simple. But yeah, so I'll keep you guys updated. Okay, so we made it to the Basilica, the highest point in the city, right? Mm-hmm. And yeah, it's a cathedral basically. So we got a candle. We actually kind of stole it, but it's okay. So we're in the park eating our lunch. We got some Burger King. There's a lot of people sitting out here, so it's really cool. Yeah, it's such a nice day. The got me a little cloudy. Got a chicken sandwich, got some nuggets and onion rings. So, and this is what our view is looking like. There's a nice little fountain. I'm not sure what this building is here. I think it's just a monument. Yeah. And the thing I like about Europe is that, like, you know, everyone's kind of just chilling. No one's in a rush. What day is it? It's a Friday. It's a Friday. It's like noon on a Friday, and everyone's out.
No one's at a job.
No one's at work.
We're just chilling.
We love that. So. So we're currently at the airport right now. It's 4:30 a.m. It's early. After the gardens, we didn't really do much. Just like got some food, went back to our room, and our flight leaves at 5:15, I think. So we're here. Hey guys, so I just got back to my room. Exhausted is not even the word. Like, I'm so tired, but I figured I would just hop on here and film this little outro before I like sleep for the next 5 hours. Ignore the like mess in the background. I was like unpacking. I'm running off of like 2 hours of sleep, y'all, so like excuse me if I'm like just all over the place, but I know this was a long video, but if you made it to the end, thank you so much for watching, and make sure to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button if you want to see more, and yeah.